The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Minnesota beginning at 5:24 p.m. and ending at 6:24 p.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Minneapolis Police Department is searching for an abducted 1-year-old male named Ray Powell. Ray is a black boy. He was last seen wearing a gray t-shirt, black pants and white shoes, and was last seen at 12th Avenue and Lake Street, Minneapolis. Minneapolis police are looking for a suspect black male in connection with this abduction.